Welcome. In this video, I will show you all the ways to fully power wash your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So if you got stuck on the sign-in page of your device, in order to fully power wash your device, which is only necessary if you cannot restore your PIN code, by the way, you have to press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+R keys simultaneously, and then proceed with the reset by clicking restart on this page. And once your device is restarted, you have to select power wash. But if you can access your device's system, then we have the other way to go. All we have to do is open the control center by clicking the clock icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, then go to settings by clicking the gear icon here, and then we're gonna have to scroll down to about Chrome OS, no, not about Chrome OS, but system preferences. Then scroll down to the bottom of this menu, and here you'll find the power wash option and the reset icon next to it. If you click reset, then restart, and then wait until your device is restarted, you'll be presented with power wash option. Now, before starting a power wash, make sure to plug in your device to the charger. Once you're ready, click power wash and continue. And then wait until your locally stored data is erased and the factory reset operation is finished. And it was actually done in less than a minute. So yeah, once you see this screen, the factory reset is completed. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.